Who is this person?
It's really annoying.
This is really irritating.
This statement. I'll say a few words. I didn't make any preparations either. I have no special advantages. But I have a large number of useful talents. Just let me be the chairman. I will use these talents to protect everyone here. If anyone is bullying, say it to me. I'll let them preach justice for everyone. This is also the true meaning of our association's existence. Let the members of us here be free from any bullying.
If there is a conflict between members, all of you are looking for justice, what should you do?
If you bullied our members, who should we ask to be fair?
Everyone has something to say. Don't go too far. What I'm talking about now is, just let me be the chairman. I'll promise to do 3 things. What 3 points? Fair and just. Public.
Everything is time. Okay, brothers. I'll go to Longton Building.